In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the internet on your PS5. So as you may know, if you come onto your PS5, there's not actually a way to access the internet. Like, they don't have a browser app. Like, if I search in here, browser, nothing comes up. It's annoying. Same with like the players, like nothing comes up here. Media even, like nothing comes up here. Like, there's no way to just access the internet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, it's a bit of a weird way to do it, but it does work. So first, what you want to do, make sure you're logged in, make sure you're signed in, and make sure you're connected to the internet. That's, of course, necessary. Now, you want to go to the top where it says games, and you want to go across to this little cog icon here. Then you want to click X, like that. And you want to scroll down to the network button here and click X on that. Now, you need to make sure that you are connected to the internet. From here, what you can do is you can go down to where it says View PlayStation Network Status. So you click that here. And what that's going to do is going to open up like a browser here, as you can see. Now, from here, you can't simply like, see up here, I can't go to the URL bar. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to scroll to the bottom of this page. And there's 3 different support icons here. I'd recommend going to YouTube here. Click this, and what it's going to do is going to send you to this page here. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go to the top right and go to sign in. Now, from sign in, you want to go down to here where it says privacy. And now you can go to the top to these 8 little dots here, and 9 little dots here. Click this, go to Google. Now you want to go to accept all. And here you have a Google search engine that you can use. Now, if you want to zoom in, you can press the right stick or the left stick. So click this and it's going to zoom in, click that, it's going to zoom out. Now you can see it's a bit bare bones, but if you click in here, we type hello, you can see that the internet browser is working. I can go on to Instagram if I want to. See, it's loading up properly. I can allow cookies. I can go through here and see that works. I can click on the Instagram logo here. It gets me to sign in. I can press L1 and I can go back. But basically from here, you can see that I'm literally browsing the internet. Now, this is not ideal. It's not an ideal solution. Like, it's not a good integrated browser. But this is basically one of the best ways that you can do it. And yeah, but if you want to access something like YouTube or something on your PS5, I'd recommend just getting the YouTube app. Likewise with other things like Twitch, they do have specific apps. So I would recommend just getting the apps. But that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like and subscribe and comment down below that it works. Plus, if you have any questions about this or you have any questions about other topics, then please let me know down below, and I will make videos on those topics because I know it will help you guys out. So say anything and I'll help you. Also, check the channel out for other tutorials. I've got some really good ones on here which will help you out with all of your different needs. So thanks for watching and goodbye.